Quick announcement. Today's my brother's birthday, and today I'm just going to let you all know that you have a video every day this week. Every day. Wednesday through Saturday or Sunday. Sunday might not, but I'm going to tell you guys. So, today's video is going to be this video, and another video that maybe I might do, or I might do tomorrow. But if I do it tomorrow, you'll have 2 videos tomorrow. So, yeah. And on Friday, you'll have Sisters into Monsters movie. 30-minute long movie, maybe. So, stay tuned. And on Saturday, you'll have a new series. It's going to be a cool series, I promise. It might only be me for the first episode, but yeah, that's because maybe it's going to be lonely. If you want to volunteer for the Saturday one, but I can't tell you exactly what it's about. You have to wait up to the first episode, so then you could be in the second episode. And the high school one, I'm gonna get up to that later on in the future. So, on Sunday, I might post the episode 2 of the one I'm gonna make, or I might not post. I might just post a little announcement. So please guys, stay tuned and wish my brother a happy birthday. Goodbye. And I'll do voice impressions maybe later on today because I love doing voice impressions of stuff. So bye guys.